Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Bluehost affiliate links for higher conversions, detailed guide step by step clearly. To optimize your Bluehost affiliate links for higher conversions, start by understanding your target audience. Identify the specific needs and pain points of your audience. Research keywords related to web hosting in Bluehost that are relevant to your niche. Create high-quality, informative content that addresses these needs. Incorporate your affiliate links naturally within the content. Use attention-grabbing call-to-action phrases near your links. Ensure your links are easily visible and not buried in paragraphs. Pair your affiliate links with well-designed banners or graphics. Consider placing links at strategic locations on your web page, such as headers and footers. Leverage social proof by including testimonials or reviews about Bluehost. Utilize comparison tables to highlight Bluehost's features versus competitors. Create dedicated landing pages that focus solely on Bluehost's offerings. Optimize your landing pages for search engines to attract organic traffic. Implement tracking tools to monitor the performance of your affiliate links. A/B test different placements and calls to action to find the most effective strategy. Analyze the data to identify trends and adjust your approach accordingly. Regularly update your content to keep it fresh and relevant. Utilize email marketing to promote your Bluehost affiliate links. Segment your email list to tailor your messaging more effectively. Engage with your audience through social media and discussions. Encourage interaction and questions regarding web hosting in Bluehost. Provide valuable resources like ebooks or how-to guides linked with your affiliate links. Optimize site speed and mobile responsiveness to enhance user experience. Ensure your website is secure and has an SSL certificate. Create a user-friendly layout that facilitates easy navigation. Maintain transparency by disclosing your affiliate relationships. Consider joining Bluehost's affiliate program for additional resources and support. Stay updated on Bluehost's offerings and promotions to maximize your conversions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.